Thank you to Les Dames for the great support of every one of the makers here at Food Building. We've got Alemar cheese, we've got Red Table meats, and of course we've got the pizza dough from Bakersfield Flour and Bread, where we're stone milling the grain right here from Minnesota. Right up on the wall, we've got farmed near, made here. Look at this, Salad Girl, organic salad dressing for the Revol Greens on top of it. Picture yourself on a beautiful, beautiful sunny afternoon as it's raining outside at the moment. And you have this fabulous greens, the salad dressing on it, Isadore's nuts, and then you make your pizza and you feel so accomplished and wonderful and have the joys of summer. So enjoy and thank you for all the support with Food Building.